三星 Galaxy A8s， 黑瞳全视屏，洞见未来。
Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same.
Honor View 20 signals a new era in smartphone technology. Marvel at the world's first ever nanotexture back design. A 25 megapixel in-screen camera is housed in a gorgeous 6.4-inch all-view display for a more immersive user experience. The high-performing Kirin 980 is the world's first 7nm AI chipset with a dual NPU design. 48 megapixel AI Ultra Clarity delivers vibrant color and incredible detail not yet seen in a smartphone. Get more creative night shots with the time-of-flight 3D camera's lightning-quick autofocus. 3D motion-controlled gaming keeps you on your toes with fun physical exercise. Experience real-time in-camera retouching with 3D shaping and be amazed as you emerge from the background precisely. The triple antenna Wi-Fi and the liquid cooling systems make game lag a thing of the past. Scan food items to measure calories with AI calorie counting and keep making the right choices. Pinpoint accurate AI dual frequency GPS keeps you on the right track every step of the way. Get ready to see the unseen with Honor View 20.